Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy USD on Binance P2P using a bank transfer. First, ensure your Binance account is verified and your bank details are ready. We will cover navigating the P2P section, selecting a suitable offer, and completing your purchase securely. This guide will help you confidently acquire Tether through a peer-to-peer transaction, ensuring a smooth and efficient experience from start to finish. To begin, open the Binance app and tap on the P2P trading option. Select Buy and then USD. You can filter by your local fiat currency and choose bank transfer as the payment method. It's crucial to check the seller's completion rate, aiming for 90% or higher, and read their terms. Always compare several offers to find the best rate and ensure the seller's limits match your desired purchase amount. Once you've selected an offer, enter the amount of USD you wish to buy or the fiat amount you want to spend. Binance will then display the seller's bank account information. Carefully copy these details and proceed to your banking app or website to make the transfer. It is vital that the payment amount is exact and that you use your own bank account for the transfer, as third-party payments are not allowed. After successfully sending the funds, return to Binance and click Transferred, Notify Seller. This action informs the seller that you have made the payment. The seller will then verify the receipt of funds, which typically takes a few minutes, but can sometimes take up to 15 minutes. Once confirmed, the USD will be released directly into your Binance funding wallet, completing your secure peer-to-peer transaction.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.